An increment means more girls in school.
We increased the funding of sanitary towels from 200 million shillings to 400 million. That is, you can see the percentage.
Their cry was heard loud and clear. The cry of millions of girls in Kenya who miss school for lack of sanitary towels during a period majority of them consider as a the sanitary towel distribution program by the Ministry of Education, which was launched in 2011, got a blow in the last financial year, 2013-2014. The program was slashed by almost a third, with the amount allocated reduced from 300 to 201 million shillings. That amount now doubled, which means over 1 million needy girls will benefit, up from 600,000 girls. In the financial year 2012-2013, 300 million shillings was set aside for the provision of the same to 568,925 needy girls aged 10 to 14 in public primary schools in classes 6 to 8. Shockingly, girls in class 4 and 5 were left out. This year's move, according to the Cabinet Secretary for Education, Jacob Kaimenyi, will ensure that schools will
have emergency sanitary towels using that money we have enhanced in form of competition to ensure that no child will be sent away. Because it's embarrassing.
This, however, could be a drop in the ocean, considering that over 2.5 million girls are in dire need. The criteria being used to identify counties, districts and schools to benefit include the National Poverty Index, Gender Parity Index, slum characteristics, and needy areas based on County Directors of Education reports. An amendment bill proposed by Baringo County Woman Representative Grace Kiptui could mean all girls who have reached puberty in primary schools, irrespective of their age and level of learning, will get supply of free, sufficient and quality disposable sanitary towels if it is passed into law. The Basic Education Amendment Bill 2014 has been forwarded to the Parliamentary Legal Team for scrutiny. Until it becomes law, many more girls will miss out on school. Judy Kosgei for The Big Question.